I have just made the holy grail of how to plan a budget trip to Europe. I have made the best presentation known to man. I am so proud of it. And I'm gonna do it as a webinar for anyone who's interested. So if you're interested, go to the link in my bio and you will find it. It has so much content. For example, you would learn how to get in the right mindset for traveling on a budget, how to pick budget-friendly destinations, how to time your trip for savings, how to hack your way to cheap flights, how to save big on accommodation, how to pack light and save money, how to get around cities cheaper and get between countries for cheap, and how to eat on a budget, how to sightsee without breaking the bank. Oh my God, it is chock full. It's taken me a long time, but I am so proud of it. So go ahead, and if you're interested, sign up and you can join in and see this, if I say so myself, a brilliant presentation and learn everything you need to know on how to budget travel Europe.